Hello guys, welcome back to Joe with Isa. For today's video guys, I am going to have an unboxing of my stationery finds from Shopee. If you are also excited for this unboxing, just keep on watching and let's get started. Now let's unbox my first Shopee find. Do you have a guess on what is it? The first one is the Faber-Castell dust-free eraser. I'll put the link in the descriptions below and the price of each item on the screen. This one is the Faber-Castell pencil. And now for the main item for this package. Yes, you guessed it right. It is the Crayola washable Supertips in 100 packs. Yay! Let's appreciate how beautiful this set of markers is. Here at the back, you can see the colors of each marker as well as here at the top. But if you wanted an actual swatch of these markers, I have a video for that and I'll link it below or up here. Now let's unbox my second package. These are the silicone stamps I got from Shopee. While this one is the stamping black to be used for the silicone stamps. I got two sets of silicone stamps. The first one is the letter stamps. It consists of 3 different fonts in a complete alphabet. I'll put a sample work by the end of this video using these stamps, so keep on watching. The second set that I got is the greeting stamps. I choose this because I will find it functional, especially the happy birthday stamps. Last one for this package is the stamping black. stationery finds unboxing. Now let's get started. Yes, for my last finds is the book that read notebook. As you can see here, it has an Aquarius constellation sign because I'm an Aquarius. And here it says forest for all forever, replacing tree with bamboo. Because this journal is a bamboo paper journal. How cool is that? They also have freebies along with the notebook itself. The first one is a bookmark that says a goal without a plan is just a wish. Second one is a customizable pen holder. Next is this very functional sticker tabs. Then the last one is this very cute aesthetic stencil. Now for the notebook itself. As you can see, it has a cloth-like cover with my zodiac sign Aquarius printed for the cover. It says here it's 180 dot grid pages, 180 GSM ultra thick bubble paper, and it has a silver colored edges, as you can see here. That's it. And now for the final montage. That's all guys for this unboxing. If you're looking for a sign to buy those items in your cart, it is your sign. You deserve that. Because don't forget what's written on 1 Peter 5:10. But God shows undeserved kindness to everyone. Till my next vlog, goodbye guys!
1, 2, 3
사랑해요.